At least 68 people have died after a powerful storm that hit the Philippines. Heavy rain triggered landslides, causing many of the victims to drown. Most of the casualties were in the mountainous region southeast of the capital, Manila. At least 17 people are missing, and the death toll is expected to rise. Well, back home, let's now take a look at some of the front pages of today's newspapers. Starting with The Australian, as you would expect, a beautiful shot there of Sydney Harbour with last night's fireworks, if you were lucky enough to see them. And it was a tribute to the legend soul singer Aretha Franklin. And it says here, after all the noise, there was calm. Another year like clockwork. Well said. The Cairns Post front page, plenty of people celebrating in the far northern parts of Queensland. And it says here that the wet weather didn't bother anybody there celebrating in the new year. To Bendigo, the Advertiser, more fireworks, year ends with a bang, and also a magistrate has refused bail to a man accused of stabbing another man in Bendigo at the weekend. And unfortunately, it looks like the fireworks were cancelled in parts of Newcastle. Here on the front page of the Herald, Maitland's fireworks, in fact, had to be cancelled due to the ferocity of the storms, which hit the region at around 8:30 last night, local time. So let's find out more of the weather with our Chief Meteorologist, Tom Saunders. Tom, you were spot on with the forecast last night with those storms, no pressure. But did you actually get woken by those fireworks last night at all?
No, I took a sleeping pill last night, Janie. I wasn't going to let any happy partying person wake me up. No chance.
Fair enough. Well, you know, we've got an early start, so there you go. Nice, clean, sober start. Feeling refreshed, no doubt. But
not feeling refreshed, feeling drowsy because I took a sleeping pill.
Well, there you go.
Let's have a look at these storms.
All right.
Well, it was a close call. There's Sydney and the storms coming in. I did watch the 9 o'clock fireworks. I was getting very nervous because I told everyone the storms will clear by the fireworks, and they just cleared just in time. So it was looking spectacular across Sydney by the time we had those fireworks. Now, we are going to get further storms today, but mostly along the northern ranges of New South Wales. So you can see just inland from the coast, that's where we'll see storms. There's a slight risk of severe storms with damaging winds in that area. Not much rain, though, for the southern half of New South Wales today. Now, for the rest of central and southern Australia, it's looking like a dry start to 2019. There's not much rain predicted here, but the heat wave rolls on. Day 9 of the heat wave, 43 in Alice Springs, 35 in Canberra. That's 7 degrees above average, and it's warming up in Adelaide to 32. Looking at the regional temperatures, as it has been for over a week, very hot in Dubbo, 39 degrees for you, a little bit cooler for some of the coastal areas.
Thank you very much, Tom Saunders. I hope that you are feeling a little bit refreshed later in the day. We'll have a bit of a coffee for you. All right, let's